You already know.
You already know, man. Con el Eppic Mazta aquí, Animalupa.
You already know. I just got my café Santo Domingo. You already know.
Que lo disfruten.
Gracias.
This is Frappuccino. It's good. Rico.
You already know aquí con el Eppic Mazta, con el Animalupa. Eppic Mazta, con el Animalupa.
You already know.
Very nice.
Now, this mall is one of the biggest malls in Santo Domingo. It has a total of 3 floors, but it's huge. It's humongous. So you already know what we're gonna do. We already here, so what we're gonna do is that we're gonna try Dominican Cafe, yo. Café Santo Domingo. So estamos entrando. We are entering Santo Domingo Cafe. From Dominican Republic. So you already know I'm here in Café Santo Domingo, and Café Santo Domingo is like the Starbucks in the United States. So this is a place where they sell authentic coffee directly from Santo Domingo. So the coffee is being served. Let's go. Amazing.
Este es de caramelo. Dulce de leche. Dulce de leche. Está equivocado.
Espérate, el de caramelo es este.
Beautiful. I just got my Café Santo Domingo. You already know.
Que lo disfruten.
Gracias. Café Santo Domingo.
This is Frappuccino.
This is Frappuccino dulce de leche. You already know.
This is Frappuccino. Caramel.
You already know. Amazing.
Very nice.
And this here look like a cookie. This is your cookie. So I'm going to quickly describe this coffee based on my flavor. It's bold. It's bold and strong. It's like a caffeinated punch. And uniquely, it's very cultural and tasty. Yummy. Wow. Wow, este café está buenísimo. It's good.
No se dice está bueno, se dice está rico.
Está rico. Qué rico.
Lo mejor de lo nuestro, digo.
Lo mejor de lo nuestro, the best of Santo Domingo.
Lo mejor de lo nuestro.
Lo mejor de lo nuestro. So you already know. Woo. So you already know. Woo. So you already know we just came out of Café Santo Domingo. If you come to Dominican Republic, you already know, especially Santo Domingo, you need to come to Sambil, one of the biggest malls in the capital. And also get yourself a nice Café Santo Domingo. Try authentic Dominican coffee. Woo. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna continue our journey in the mall. So you already know, we continue our walk. Wow, this is amazing. So this is what they call Colombian feria. All they sell here is Colombian product. And this is also part of the mall, Santo Domingo.
Sacar directamente así, en el pepino, miren. Miren qué maravilla, miren. Así es para una ensalada provocativa. Pelas el plátano y miren esa tajada. Oiga, no se le parece como la lengua de su vecina, la chismosa del barrio. Ahora miren, sí, dijo que sí. Ahora mire el repollo. Parte el repollo por la mitad y ahora con el cuchillo del medio se llama cabito de ángel. Mira ese. Así es que dan ganas de comer en casa. Así, miren. Así. Promoción de despedida. Fue un placer. Nos despedimos con broche de oro. Nos vemos en 10 años. Cada vez que pasa el cometa por acá es cada 10 años. Vale, mil también. Cuchillo 500. Wow.
Hace sin una gota de grasa ni aceite. Y el huevo lo puede hacer frito, omelette, como usted quiera, sin una gota de grasa ni aceite. Una servilleta o papel de cocina limpia y ya no tiene que estar restregando ni nada por el estilo. ¿Alguna vez
La feria colombiana, Colombian Feria, you already know. Colombia en Santo Domingo.
Usted hace eso en el teflón y ¿qué pasa? Se empieza a levantar y se va a pelar. Y el problema no es que se pele ni que se pegue el alimento, que termina uno comiéndose todas esas partículas tóxicas. Ese es el problema.
Difusora. Wow. It smells so good. Wow. Wow. Nice. It's nice. There's also a variety of products, accessories, human accessories, la casita, Santo Rosario. Wow. Rainbow toy. Wow. Krispy Kreme. Wow. So this is the whole food court area. This is a whole 3D area. Nice. So this area has a variety of food. You'll find Wendy's, Oveja Negra, Ray's, Taco Bell, Teriyaki, Villa Plaza, and you will find a whole variety of different food to choose from. Emparedado, KFC, Yeah, so this is something that I noticed you will find all over the place. Like I saw this in the Middle East and also here. American brands, when it comes to food, they're all over the place. You already know.
Sí, lo tan lindo, ¿verdad?
And this is also a very family and friendly place. They also sell churros here. This place here is amazing, yo. It's one of, you already know.
Yo already know aquí con el Eppic Mazta, con la lima lupa.
You already know. Woo! It's amazing, it's very family friendly. You can bring your kids here to Magia, Landia. You can go inside and play. Wow. Laser runner. Laser runner. Wow, this is cool. Nice spot where people can go and sit. So we decided to go for the tamashi. The tamashi. This is Japanese food. Woo. Tamashi tasty. Butterfly shrimp. You already know. Already know I'm here in Tamashi. Already know I'm here in Tamashi. You already know. This here is the butterfly shrimp bowl. Here we have the kazan, which is mainly crab meat. And this here is the fish dumpling. The rating's good. It doesn't have salt at all.
Vamos a probarlo de acá, voy
Me gusta eso. Wow.
You can taste some seaweed here. Wow.
A mí cosa de vaina de eso es jabón de fregar.
Vale, te cayó un cuchillo ahí.
Eso es jabón de fregar.
The butterfly shrimp also have avocado. You can see some cucumber here, tomato, seaweed, plantain,
También prueba eso que está comiendo.
shrimp, avocado. Wow.
It's good, man.
Good, good, good.
It's good. Rico. Rico. Está matado brillado.
So this is the crab meat sushi. You're gonna try it. You guys can see it has some sauce, like mayonnaise, which you actually mix sauce, and you can see the crab meat right there.
Teriyaki tiene más sabor. Teriyaki tiene más sabor.
No, teriyaki mejor.
Wow! Yo, the kasami's on point. Tastes man good, yo. Wow.
Yo estoy pensando que era aquí, no sé.
Un camarón que estamos ahí.
¿Te lo comes? No lo pruebo.
Ah, esto lo Están como 15, comieron 2 y 2 cada uno.
Cool. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna do the dumpling. Ponlo por ahí, Mari. No, pero ponga. Están buenos los trillos. Aguanta la vaina verde ya. Adobado. Wow.
Está buena, toca verde.
Yo,
Con la salsita.
wow. I just tasted the dumpling like, wow.
Está bueno, ¿verdad?
Yeah, está bueno, sí. Like, I was able to take the fish and some plantain too. Wow.
Eso es lo que yo te dije, no te me hagas solo, no así que eres como Nutella.
Yo, that food was good. Woo! You already know. So this here is more than a commercial center. More than a commercial center. Más que un centro comercial Sambil. Now here we can see some fishes. Wow. Wow. Me gusta este modo loco. Nah, yo... Aqua Cafe here. You already know. Wow. This is nice. So you already know. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to subscribe. You already know. And hit the like button. You already know.
You already know. You already know, man. Con el Yaji Mazta aquí, Animalupa.
You already know. Woo!
Yo.
Amazing.
Mad nice.
And this here look like a cookie. Look at your
Mad nice.
cookie. It's bold. It's bold. It's bold and strong. It's like a caffeinated punch. And uniquely, it's very cultural and tasteful. Yummy. The best of Santo Domingo.
Lo mejor de lo nuestro.
Lo mejor de lo nuestro. From Dominican Republic. Do not forget to subscribe and click the like button